Good morning, students. Today start the chapter simple interest and compound interest. Now, simple interest. Simple interest is calculated uniformly on the principal amount throughout the loan period. The simple interest SI on the principal P at the rate R for a period time T is given by the following formula. SI is equal to principal into rate into time upon 100 is equal to PRT upon 100. Compound interest formula. Let be the principal P the principal invested at R% per annum compounded annually for n year. We have the amount A is equal to P 1 plus R upon 100 whole to the power n. Now compound interest equal to amount minus principal. Exercise 11.1. Question number 1. Principal given rupees 3000, rate 5%, time 3 year. Now formula of SI is equal to PRT upon 100, putting the value of P, R and T. 3005 into 3 upon 100. 0 cancel, 30 multiply 5 multiply 3 is equal to 450. Now amount is equal to principal plus SI. 3000 plus 450 is equal to 3450. Question number 4. Without using the formula, find the compound interest on rupees 8500 at 8% per annum for 2 years. Now first year principal 8500 are 8%, time is equal to 1 year, putting the value in the formula. I is equal to PRT upon 100. Now 8500 into 8 into 1 upon 100. 0 cancel, 85 8 just 680. Now amount at the end of first year. 8500 plus 680 is equal to rupees 9180. Now second year, this amount goes to convert to a principal 9180. Now R is equal to 8%, time is equal to 1. Now I is equal to PRT upon 100, putting the value 9180 into 8 into 1 upon 100. Now divided by 100. 734 rupees 40 paisa. Amount at the end of second year. 9180 plus 734 rupees 40 paisa. Now answer is 9914 rupees 40 paisa. Compound interest is equal to amount minus principal. Amount minus principal. 9914 rupees 40 paisa minus 8500 equal to 1414 rupees 40 paisa. Question number 10. Harsh invested rupees 1 lakh in a company at 13% per annum compounded annually. Find the interest he get at the end of 3 years. Now putting the value is A is equal to P1 plus R upon 100 whole to the power n. Principal 1 lakh, R value of 13, value of n is 3. 13 upon 100 equal to 0.13 plus 1 equal to 1.13 whole to the power 3. Here multiply by 3 times. 1.13, 1.13, 1.13. Now multiply and multiply in 1 lakh. Now answer comes here. Compound interest equal to amount minus principal. Now answer is 44,289 rupees 70 paisa. Question number 12. What will be the compound interest at the rate of 10% per annum for 3 years on a principal amount which is 3 years gives rupees 1200 on the simple interest at the rate of 4% per annum. Simple interest equal to rupees 1200 times 3 year rate is equal to 4% per annum. Now formula is SI is equal to PRT upon 100, putting the values 1200 P into 3 into 4 upon 100. 100 goes to the numerator and 12 goes to the denominator. 1200 is 1200. 100 into 100 equal to 10,000. Principal is 10,000. Now, principal is 10,000, R is 10%, N is equal to 3 year. Putting the values in amount is equal to principal 1 plus R upon 100 whole to the power N. Putting these values 1 lakh 10,000 into 1 plus 10 upon 100 whole to the power 3. 1 plus 1 upon 10 is 11 upon 10 whole to the power 3. Multiply 3 times. Now 3 zeros cancel here. Multiply result is 13,310. Compound interest equal to amount minus principal. Answer is 3,310 answer. Exercise 11.2. Principal is 1 lakh R 10% compounded half yearly. Interest for 6 months. Principal is equal to 1 lakh R 10% per annum, now divided by 2 because it is converted in a per half yearly. 2 5 is 10, now 5% per half yearly times 6 months is equal to 1 half yearly. Now amount is equal to principal 1 plus R upon whole power N. Putting the value here, principal R and N. Now answer comes to 1,05,000 amount. Compound interest equal to amount minus principal. Now 1,05,000 minus 1 lakh rupees is 5,000. Question 4 is Rajesh borrowed a sum of rupees 16,000 from a bank at the rate of 10% compounded half yearly for 2 years. Find the amount he need to pay back to the bank. Principal is rupees 16,000. R 10% per annum is converted a half yearly. 5%. Year is 2 year means 4 half yearly. Amount is equal to principal 1 plus R upon 100 whole power N. Putting the value R, N and P. 5 4 2 is 10. 1 plus 1 upon 20, 21 upon 20 whole power 4. Here multiply by 4 times. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now zeros cancel. First of all 0, 0, 0, 0 cancel. Now 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16, 160 is denominator and numerator 21 into 21, 441, 441. 16 10 ja 160. Now 441 multiply 441 equal to 1,94,481 divided by 10 is equal to 19,448 rupees 10 paisa is the answer. Now Asin borrowed rupees 40,000 from a bank. For 3.5 years, the bank charges is 12% per annum compounded annually. Find the interest paid by the Asin. Principal equal to rupees 40,000, R equal to 12% per annum, time is 3 years. First 3 years. Now amount is equal to principal 1 plus R upon 100 whole power 3, 40,000 into 1 plus 12 upon 100. Now 100 plus 12 equal to 112 upon 100. Multiply by 3 times 1, 2 and 3. Now first of all zeros cancel here and multiply by the numerator digits and divide by 100. Results come to 56,197 rupees 12 paisa. This is your amount. Now next half year, next of half year, interest equal to PRT upon 100. Putting the value P, R and T. Values 2, 6 are 12. Now 6 multiply by the numbers and divide by 100. Now results come to 3,371 rupees 82 paisa. Here round off the figure. Now amount at the end of 3.5 years plus 56,197 rupees 12 paisa plus 3,371 rupees 83 paisa. Now answer is 59,568 rupees 95 paisa. Compound interest is equal to amount minus principal. Now answer comes to 19,568 rupees 95 paisa. Exercise 11.3. After how many years will rupees 1000 become rupees 1331 at 10% per annum compound interest? Amount, principal and R is given. Now formula is A is equal to P1 plus R upon 100 whole to power N. Putting the value 1331 is equal to 1001 plus 10 upon 100 whole to power N. Here cancel the 0 0. Now answer is 1 plus 1 upon 10 is 11 upon 10. 1000 is goes to the numerator. And this is the value of 11 upon 10 ka whole of cube. Equal to 11 upon 10 whole to power N. Now compare the value. Answer is N is equal to 3 year. N equal to 3 year. Next question, question number 3. The compound interest on a sum of money is rupees 512 rupees 50 paisa, calculated at 5% per annum for 2 years. What is the sum? Principal equal to rupees X, R 5% per annum, and 2 year compound interest equal to 512 rupees 50 paisa. Now amount minus principal equal to compound interest. Putting the value amount Px, R 5 and 2. Now common is X. First of all 5 2 is 10. 1 plus 1 upon 20 equal to 21 upon 20 का whole of square is 441 upon 400. Taking the LCM 441 x minus 400 x upon 400. Now 441 x minus 400 equal to 41 x upon 400. 400 goes to the numerator and 41 goes to the denominator. Now first of all multiply and then divide. Now result comes to 5000. Result comes to 5000. Next question is the difference between the compound interest and the simple interest on a certain sum of money for 2 years at 15% per annum is rupees 180. Find this sum. Let the principal equal to X, R equal to 15% per annum and N equal to 2 years. Formula is compound interest equal to amount minus principal. Now putting the values, compound interest equal to P1 plus R upon 100 whole to power N minus P. Putting the values X 1 plus 15 upon 100 whole square minus X. Now 150 upon 100 ka whole of square is comes to result here. Look at here. Now taking the LCM, compound interest equal to 3225 upon 10,000 X. Now SI is equal to PRT upon 100. Putting the value 15 to the 30 X upon 100. Compound interest minus simple interest equal to 180. Putting the value on taking the LCMs. LCM is 10,000. Now 100 multiplied by 30 is equal to 3000. 3225 minus 3000 is equal to 225x upon 10,000. 10,000 goes to the numerator and 225 goes to the denominator. Multiply and then divide. Then result is rupees 8,000. Exercise 11.4. The value of car depreciate at the rate of 15% per year. If the car was bought rupees 9,50,000 2 years ago, find the present value of the car. Principal R and N is given. The growth is negative. Now formula is A is equal to P1 minus R upon 100 whole power and putting the values. 100 minus 15 equal to 85 upon 100 is multiplied by 2 times. Now first of all zeros cancel and then multiply. Result is 6,86,375. Present value of car is 6,86,375. Question number 4. A TV set was purchased rupees 16,000 if the cost of the TV after 2 years depreciate to rupees 14,440. Find the rate of depreciation. Principal 16,000. Amount is 14,440. N is equal to 2 years. Growth is negative. Now A is equal to P1 minus R upon 100 whole power N. 14,440 is equal to 16,000. 1 minus R upon 100 whole power N. Now values is cancel, first of all 0 and cancel value. Answer is 361 upon 400 here, but 16 upon 400 is the square of 19 upon 20. Now square is cancelled, 19 upon 20 is equal to 1 minus r upon 100. R upon 100 here, 19 upon 20 goes to the other sides. Now take the LCM, 20 minus 19 is equal to 1, 1 upon 20. 100 goes to the numerator, 100 upon 20 is equal to 5%. R value of R is 5% per. Question number 7. The present value of car is rupees 80,000 and it depreciates at the rate of 10% every year. What will be the value of car after 2 years from now? Principal is 80,000, R is 10% and is 2 years. This is the case of depreciation to the rate of growth is negative. Putting the values, 80,000, value of R is 10 and is 2. Now look at here. First of all, take the LCM, 10 minus 1 equal to 9 upon 10 is multiplied by 2 times, 0 0 cancel, and then after multiply, answer is 64,800. Value of car after 2 years, 64,800 answer. Okay children, next day start our next topic. Today over.